Hi, hello, how are you students? I hope all of you are fine and I wish that. Welcome to Vadivel Vadiyar YouTube channel and your learning platform vadivel-vadiyar.com. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss about example 5. Prove that root 3 is irrational. Okay, in the earlier video we have seen prove that root 2 is irrational, right? In that we have seen 3 steps application, right? In the same way, same methodology we are going to apply here also. Okay, now let's go to the solution. Okay, prove that root 3 is irrational. Okay, step 1, to the contrary, let us assume root 3 is rational. Okay, so we all know root 3 is an irrational number and we are assuming it's a rational number. Okay, so a rational number can be expressed in the form of a divided by b, right? So we can write root 3 is equal to a divided by b, where a and b are co-prime. Okay, now we can write b into root 3 is equal to a, right? Now squaring both sides, we can write b into root 3 whole square is equal to a square, right? So now b square into 3 is equal to a square, right? So this you can keep as equation 1. Okay, from this we can bring b square is equal to a square divided by 3, right? Now 3 divides a square, right? As per theorem 1.2, if 3 divides a square, then 3 will divide a also, right? So we can write here as per theorem 1.2, if 3 divides a square, then 3 will divide a also. Hence 3 is a factor of a, right? Hence 3 is a factor of a, right? Now coming to the second step, step 2. Okay, now here we have mentioned 3 is a factor of a, right? So 3 will divide a also. So we can write a divided by 3 is equal to, we can assume some unknown integer c. Okay, c, where c is an integer, right? Now from this we can get a is equal to 3c, right? Keep this as second equation. Okay, now going to step 3, apply equation 2 in equation 1. Okay, apply 2 in 1. Okay, so the equation 1 is b square into 3 is equal to a square. B square into 3 is equal to a square. Now we know the value of a is equal to 3c, right? Okay, so b square into 3 is equal to 3c whole square. Okay, now b square into 3 is equal to, if you take square, 9 into c square. Okay, right. Now we can write b square is equal to 9c square divided by 3. Okay, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So b square is equal to 3c square. Okay, we can rearrange this equation. 3c square is equal to b square. Okay, now c square is equal to b square divided by 3. Okay, now you can see b square divided by 3. Now you have to write, since b square 3 is a factor of b square, or 3 divides b square, then 3 will divide b also. Okay, so we can write, since 3 divides b square, 3 will divide b also, as per theorem 1.2. Okay, so continuation of that. Okay, as per theorem 1.2, since 3 divides b square, 3 will divide b also, right? Hence 3 is a factor of b. Hence 3 is a factor of b. Okay, now we have proved that 3 is a factor of a as well as b, right? So a and b are having one more factor except 1, 3. So a and b are not co-prime, right? So now we have to give our conclusion, right? This happens because of our incorrect assumption that root 3 is rational. Hence root 3 is irrational. Okay, now we can write the conclusion. Since 3 is a common factor of a and b, a and b are not co-prime. Okay, this happens because of our incorrect assumption, that root 3 is rational. Hence root 3 is irrational. Hence root 3 is irrational. Clear, students? So in step number 1, we are proving that 3 is a factor of a, and step number 3, we are proving that 3 is a factor of b. 3 is a common factor of a and b. You can see here 3 is a common factor of a and b. A and b are not co-prime. This happens because of our incorrect assumption that root 3 is rational. Hence root 3 is irrational. Okay, we are concluding with that. Clear, students? I hope you all understood well, right? Stay tuned, stay focused, stay confident. Let's march towards our mission of target 100. Thank you, students. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.